Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add constant contact to Squarespace. All right, so first up, just go ahead and open up your constant contact account. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel, pop this out, and go ahead over to integrations. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, all you have to do is look for Squarespace, okay? If it's not in here, just go ahead and find it using the search function. Type in Squarespace. Like so. Here we have Squarespace. Just click on it. I go ahead and click on Connect. Okay. And here, just hit on Allow and wait for it. And as you can see here, it is done as fast as that. You now have your list and activity right here. And then you can go ahead and click on create a welcome email if you want to. If you want to welcome new customers with an automated email, okay? Also, you can go ahead and add in a product block. Another way to use constant contact to Squarespace is by using the forms, okay? You can go ahead and go to sign up forms in here under constant contact. Just wait for it to load. Now, for example, you already created a form in here under constant contact. All you have to do is just go ahead and click on the three dots, click on view inline code, copy the code, and paste this one to your website, okay? Just go ahead and edit your website like so, edit. And then you can go ahead and add a block or add another section. Just for this example, we're going to be using add a blank section, okay? And then edit, add a block, and here use embed or code, okay? Click on one, enter your code in here, use HTML, paste the copied code from constant contact, and once done, just tap away, save it, refresh the page, and it will show. It doesn't show right now because I haven't activated this form, as you will need to upgrade your constant contact plan, okay? But that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.